Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your mouse cursor in Windows 11. You can add animated cursor or normal cursor on your window. So I will show you how you can do this. So let's start the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, come to your, first come to your browser and search for customize cursor. Okay, and here you can see some source. Okay, so I personally use this source. Okay, just open it and now you can see the all cursor which you can find or download. So I just choose this one. Okay, you need to download here, and here you have some options. You can download as an animated or pointer. Okay, you need these two option only. So it's just download as animated. So it is downloaded. Okay, let me check on folder. So I have downloaded two. This already downloaded. This is okay. This is I just downloaded in front of you. Okay, now what we need to do, come to the Windows search bar and search for mouse settings. Search for mouse settings and just click on it. Then this window will be open. Now here go to the additional mouse setting options, and here this pop-up window will be open. Mouse property, come to the pointer, and here select the normal cursor which you are using now. Now go to the browse, and here you can see the already inbuilt cursor style. You can choose from here. Okay, or you can choose that downloaded cursor. So which where is the okay, this is our folder. So this, okay, this is our cursor. Just select that and open it. Now it is selected. Now just come scroll down little bit and come to the link selection. Okay, and select that, and here also you need to select the same cursor, or you can choose another cursor. This is for when you select any link, so it will be highlight. Now click OK or apply. It will be apply. Okay, so let me show you. You can see this has been applied. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.